April. I just wanted to make this real quick video to show you how I import and export so you could see if you're trying it the same way, because maybe it's not working for me since I'm not listed as an instructor. So anyway, here's my course. I go down to Course Tools and then go to Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Click on Tests. And then here's the CAA test. You can see I last edited it this morning, so that's the one with the most recent changes. Click on the little arrow next to it and then go to Export. Then in the Resource Repository course, go to Course Tools. The same thing, Test, Surveys, and Pools. Tests, import a test. I already have it there, as you can see, but I'm just going to go through the motion again. Then I select the file, I go to downloads because that's where it just saved to. Click open, submit, and that's what should happen. It should work properly when you follow those steps. I'm going to just go ahead and delete that one so that it doesn't confuse everybody and show that there's two. But then when I go into yours, where's your section? Here it is, IO5. If I click import tests, as you can see, it was already there because Amber put it in there for me earlier. Open, submit. Oh, of course, it just worked. Before it was saying that it was an invalid file type, so I'm not sure if they found something, but now it's working, so you shouldn't have any trouble in the future doing the import export. Let me know if that's the way you were doing it or not, and this is the one that has the most recent changes here. Okay?